This video here at the press room. Coach, just your thoughts about reaching the twice to beat advantage in the next game.
Yeah, well, Terra didn't play with their imports, so this is this kind of game that they're already out. We just had to take care of our business. I think we did well in the first half, and then the second half we continued to do that. It's been 3 years since we've had a chance to get the twice to beat. We said, you know, I think it was in our second or third game that was one of the goals, and we did enough early to get some wins. Now, even if we lost to NLEX and San Miguel, we put ourselves in a situation to do that, right? And then obviously sometimes a little bit of luck, right? Like the import didn't play today, but happy for the guys.
Coach, you still have one game against Magnolia and ano lang, coach, yung magiging mindset. Knowing na book nyo na yung twice to beat, but still has a chance of a higher seed.
Yeah, with these kind of games, you might have a false sense of security with these type of games because the one team's already out, wala silang import. Magnolia's playing very, very well. They were up against Talk PNT by I think 22 points, 20 points in the first quarter. They found their mojo. I don't think this type of game is getting us ready for the playoffs, right? I think that Magnolia game that'll be a better fit. Alam namin they're playing at a high level right now. They've gotten some wins together, and with the seedings, we don't know where everybody's gonna play. So I think ang daming scenarios na pwede mangyari. There's nothing really sure on who you're playing, right? I think the top four is sealed, but now it's a question of who you're gonna face.
PJ, yung naging agad yung laro, but how did you get your focus over the course of the game?
Well, siguro ni-remind lang namin yung isa't isa na kailangan namin mas maging consistent kasi yun yung mga naging problem namin past games eh. Lumalaman kami ng mga first half and then after noon, nahahabol kami kasi mas naging complacent kami. So, sa paparating na playoffs, mas kailangan namin pag kumbaga wala kaming ibibigay na possession dahil mahirap kasi kapag lumipat agad yung momentum, yun yung nagiging problem namin.
Okay.